progress and innovation, resilient execution, knowledge engineering, and digital capabilities are now part of Slkor's corporate DNA. Slkor does more than provide chips. We're building an open, integrated industry ecosystem platform through our multilingual official website. With expert insights, application cases, technical applications, and daily semiconductor news, we continue to attract industry partners and customers. Here, ideas gather, technology takes the stage, and an important knowledge platform for semiconductor industry is taking shape. With trust and honor as our spirit, products as our foundation, and an open and an ecosystem connecting industry partners, every step Slkor takes conveys trust and carries value. The cultural core of integrity, continuous improvement, resilience, and attention to detail has forged the international Slkor brand. Looking ahead, we will continue to integrate resources and serve more customers worldwide. Slkor products will become the preferred choice for global customers. Slkor, integrity goes far. Chips power the future.